Reading Comprehension Booster, Graphic Organizers. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another exciting video in our series on advanced vocabulary. In our previous videos, we've discussed the importance of synonyms and antonyms in reading comprehension. Today, we're going to delve a bit deeper and learn about a fantastic reading strategy called graphic organizers. Graphic organizers are an amazing tool that can greatly enhance your overall comprehension, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use them. So, first things first. What are graphic organizers? Graphic organizers are visual representations of information that can help us understand and remember things better. They come in various forms such as charts, diagrams, and maps, and they are incredible tools for structuring information. When used in reading comprehension, they can help you to visualize connections between ideas, making it easier to understand and remember the content. There are several types of graphic organizers that you can use, each serving a different purpose. Venn diagrams are excellent for comparing and contrasting ideas. Flowcharts help visualize a sequence of events or steps in a process. Mind maps are great for showing relationships and hierarchies between ideas. Concept maps can be used to understand the relationships between different concepts. Choosing the right type of graphic organizer depends on the type of text you're reading and the information you're trying to understand. Using graphic organizers involves a few steps. First, you need to identify the main idea or the central concept in the reading. This becomes the starting point of your graphic organizer. From there, you branch out and add subtopics, details, and supporting ideas. For example, let's say you're reading an article about the effects of climate change. The main idea would be climate change, and subtopics could include causes, effects, and solutions. Each of these subtopics could then have further details attached to them. Remember, the goal is to organize the information in a way that makes sense to you and helps you understand the material better. Using graphic organizers has many benefits. They improve memory and retention by enabling you to visualize connections between ideas. They also aid in critical thinking, as you actively structure and analyze information. Additionally, they can make learning more engaging and enjoyable. And that's a wrap on our discussion of graphic organizers. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're excited to start using these tools in your own reading. Remember, understanding English isn't just about knowing the words. It's about understanding the connections between ideas. And that's precisely what graphic organizers can help you do. Stay tuned for more English learning videos. Happy learning!